In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to synchronize your music video clips to the mastered audio inside of CapCut. So to start off, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import our audio. And I'm going to import my clips. Now this is simple. As you can see, our video has not been synced to the audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything, Control A. And I'm going to go to one of the clips and I'm going to right click. Now from the pop-up menu, you can see that there is sync video and audio. So I'm going to click on that. Loading. As you can see, it's done syncing the video to the audio. So that's how simple it is. If you have multiple clips, you can use this same method and you synchronize all your performance shots to the mastered audio. Thanks for watching this video to the end and see you in my next video.